Hello and welcome to this video where we are going to talk about the income tax slabs applicable for financial year 23-24 and assessment year 24-25. First, we'll begin with the slabs applicable to old tax regime where you get various exemptions and deductions which in turn reduces your taxable income. So here are the slabs which are applicable to individuals under 60 years and HUFs. Up to rupees 2,50,000 nil. Rupees 2,50,001 to rupees 5 lakh is 5%. Rupees 5 lakh 1 to rupees 10 lakh is 20% and above 10 lakh is 30%. For senior citizens, that is from 60 years to 80 years bracket, up to rupees 3 lakh is nil. Rupees 3 lakh 1 to 5 lakh is 5%. Rupees 5 lakh 1 to rupees 10 lakh is 20% and above 10 lakh is 30%. For super senior citizens above 80 years of age, the slab is something like this. Up to rupees 5 lakh is nil. Rupees 5 lakh 1 to rupees 10 lakh is 20%. Above rupees 10 lakh is 30%. Now let's talk about new tax regime where the tax rates are lower but does not allow most of the deductions and exemption. Up to rupees 3 lakh is nil. 3 lakh 1 to rupees 6 lakh is 5%. Rupees 6 lakh 1 to rupees 9 lakh is 10%. Rupees 9 lakh 1 to 12 lakh is 15%. Rupees 12 lakh 1 to 15 lakh is 20% and above 15 lakhs is 30%. Here are some key points to note. Number 1. Rebate under section 87A. Under old regime, if your total income does not exceed rupees 5 lakh, you are eligible for a rebate of rupees 12,500. And under old regime, if your total income does not exceed rupees 7 lakh, you are eligible for a rebate of rupees 25,000. Now, second important thing is surcharge. 10% of the income tax if total income exceeds rupees 50 lakh but up to rupees 1 crore. 15% of income tax if total income exceeds rupees 1 crore but does not exceed rupees 2 crore. 25% of the income tax if total income exceeds rupees 2 crore but up to rupees 5 crores. And 37% of the income tax if total income exceeds rupees 5 crore. This 37% is now reduced to 25% in the new regime from 1st April 2023. Now, last but not the least, a 4% health and education cess is added to your income tax liability. We really hope that you like this video. Do share it with your friends and family who are still struggling to understand the income tax slabs applicable for financial year 23-24. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.